Good night, teacher. My last name is Rosales Chumbe Jack Bruce Elias. My present the characteristic of my girlfriend. There is description of the person. There is Melanie. Her last name is Espesela Cruz. She is 15 years old. She was born on July 26 in Tarma. She is of medium age, has long brown hair and light brown eyes. Her birthday is July 26. Melanie is very dedicated to her studies, has good grades, and, and attends Santa Maria Reina School in Huancayo. She will graduate from high school in 2026. After high school, she will pursue a career in nursing at Continental University in Huancayo. After finish her degree, she plans to work, and with what she aims, she wants to move to Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. Today, she is part of my family as we've been together for 4 years. My parents grew very fond of her and take her on a very family outing. Today we are separated due to our studies, so we can both achieve success in life and fulfill our dreams together. My dream bedroom. My bedroom, like walls, cheerful colors like mint green, pastel pink, or cobalt blue. Color combination in bed linens or curtains. Layout, flow of the space, furniture arrangement, how people interact within it. Good, good lighting, light for sleeping, will window that lets in pleasant light, will make curtains or blinds. Em- Environment, tidy, clean, dust-free, moisture-free, and ventilated, conducive to a restful sleep. Decoration, curtains in the same decorative style as she rest of the space. Picture on the walls, shield with books and other decorative objects. Nightstand that matches the room. My bed should be warm, very large, and have a TV and PlayStation in the room. I would like someone to knock on the door out of respect before entering my room. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.